The new Cupra Leon is a vehicle developed to bring a new identity to the high-performance compact segment, building on the generations of vehicles that came before it. With two body styles available, 5-door and sports tourer, the Cupra Leon expands its appeal even further, allowing customers to choose the vehicle that best fits their lifestyle, without needing to compromise on performance, comfort or practicality. With high levels of standard equipment, including full LED with rear coast-to-coast lighting, bucket seats, sports suspension, keyless entry, it's a vehicle that offers great value in the highly competitive segment. This latest iteration of the high-performance icon will further strengthen the Cupra brand, offering an outstanding driving experience thanks to its highly advanced range of powertrains. Its dynamic chassis technologies, and its elegant mix of sportiness and sophistication in its exterior and interior design, add to this impressive offering with a highly connected, digitalized user experience, the integration of some of the most advanced driver assistance systems available, and the new Cupra Leon becomes one of the most appealing offerings in the segment. The range of powertrains includes 245 PS, 300 PS and 310 PS, exclusively available for the sports tourer with 4-drive, 2.0-liter TSI petrol engines that provide enough breadth of performance to suit anyone's taste. And in a world that is constantly aiming to reduce its impact on the environment, the all-new Cupra Leon also brings electrification to the high-performance segment in the form of plug-in hybrid engine, meaning the ultimate expression performance.